Let's create a sleeve drawing using Creo Parametric Education Edition. First, from the main menu, click New and uncheck this default template and give the part name like sleeve. OK, and select the metric unit template from this list. Give OK. Now we have to start with the sketch for the sleeve. Select sketch and select the datum plane front and sketch it. You can create a normal view to the sketch plane. Now a circle for the outer dia, another circle for the inner dia. Inner dia is 32 mm and outer dia is 65 mm. Now all the constraints are applied automatically with the software. This is for coincident vertices and this is for point on entity, and everything is fine with this sketch. Constrained with the dimension as well as the parametrics. Okay, now your sketch is ready. Convert that to 3D model by clicking extrude and give the depth of extrusion to 190 mm and click OK. Now to see the view, press Ctrl D. To create a feature for taper cutter pin, we have to create a plane that is 32 point. I mean this dia is 60 to 65. You create a datum plane at a distance of 32.5. Now create another sketch and click the sketch view and draw a small triangle rectangle of 30 mm by 6 mm and center it by giving equal distance. This is at a distance of 30 mm from the datum plane edge, and draw another rectangle of 30 mm and with 6 mm, and it will get aligned symmetrically, and this distance should be 130 mm. Okay, now your sketch is ready, good to go for cutting that for your cutter pin assembly. Now extrude and remove the material, reverse the direction, give through all depth, then click OK. Now this is what your sleeve drawing part modeling, and you have to give some add-on features like chamfer to make that rod to enter easily. Give the depth of cut by 1 mm and both sides. If you want to edit any feature you have created, right click it and press this edit definition and click that other edges. And another stuff you can add is round to the edge to avoid the sharp corners. 1 mm radius and fillet is created. That's all for creating a part model in parametric Creo. Like that you can create other models also. Thank you for watching. Now after doing all this, we must save it. After creating 3D modeling, now let's start creating a 2D drawing. Start from the file menu, new, select the drawing, and instead of selecting default template, let's select it for metric dimension and give the name sleeve drawing. Without any space there. Okay, and then use a template. You can draw it in A4 size drawing. Okay, the views automatically created, and then you give dimension. This is projection view, this is our front view, that is our side view. Now you give dimension, just select show model annotation. Now we need this diameter and that diameter, and we need this 6 mm and 1 mm radius. Okay, apply. Okay, now we need in this view the depth of extrusion. This is 180 mm and 30 mm of the, the taper pin provision, and it's 30 mm away from that. Okay, and there we have given a chamfer of 1 mm and a radius of fillet 1 mm. Okay, now everything is fine, good to go. Let us see this view is created as per the requirements. The view style, it's a projection, let's leave it. This is what the general view, this is what general view, and visible areas full view. You can give a half view also. Scale, let's make it 1:1. Okay, and then yes, and then if you need any sections, you can give section views and combine. Okay, view display, this hidden, you can give wireframe, let us see hidden also, and solid. Okay, now you see these views are merged. This view, top view, we don't need, we need only front view and side view. Okay, so that we can get space. Remove the lock view movement, then we can move it up and give dimension to this, especially this one, this one, this one, and that one, and this one. Rest all is there, we don't have to worry about. Rest all is there here. Okay, and if you need the chamfer, you can give. Okay, apply. Okay, now everything has come automatically. You hide any planes unwanted. This looks fine. Okay, if you want to insert a 3D view, go to general view, no combine stage, and click here. This is a 3D view of the model. Apply. OK. Now you have this 3D view also. Suppose you want to make this diameter look outside in, you can change it, and if you want to rotate it, you can keep it aside. The sketch will look clean. The scale of the drawing is 1:1. Okay, and these dimensions, if you want to keep it as it is, it's okay. This is a view of a isometric 3D model. Then if you want to add any other features like table, go to table. You can select automatically quick tables like the bill of material. Since it is not an assembly, it is not required to be created like that. You can create some quick table with some corporation name and other numbers, part number and quantity, some other standard templates. Okay, so let us see this. Now you see unit weight. The unit weight should be 1:1, and then mass unit, that should be, we can say kg, and then revision number for this drawing 0, and drawing number let us give 001, and then cage code we don't have created, we have not created that. Okay, now you select the location. The default has come. We can edit this to our name, brand name. Tanabondian Polytechnic. Okay, and then sleeve drawing is there. It's in A4 size. Everything else is there by default. That's all for creating a drawing using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching.